So my friends over at RISC-V International sent me a little present today. A lovely RISC-V VisionFive version 2, the 8 gig model. For those that don't know, this has a quad-core RISC-V processor, which is up to 1.5 gigahertz. It comes in 2, 4, 8 gigabytes. Obviously mine's the 8 gigabyte version. It's got a HDMI port, 2 gigabit Ethernet ports, 2 USB 2, 2 USB 3, and an NVMe M2 slot. So no slouch. I can't wait to get to play with this. So let's get into this then, shall we? I've never done an unboxing video before, but today's going to be the one. So, here we go. Nice little packaging. There's all those wonderful ports. You don't need me to explain. I've already put standoffs in because I had to check it was all there before starting. But yeah, it looks pretty good. What else did we get with this? Obviously a lot bigger than the Raspberry Pi that I'm used to. We got a 32 gigabyte SD card, very handy because I actually am out. We've got this little device that I have no idea what it is yet, but I'm sure we'll find out soon. We also got the UART cable, which I hate playing with these, but these basically flash firmware all connect to the console and stuff like that on your system. We got USB-C to C, which is useless to me, but we'll try and figure something out. This cable, which isn't for my country, brilliant. Yeah, the fan, and then a build it yourself case out of cardboard. I have never seen a case like this before in my life, but hey, sounds like it'll be fun. So let's get into this, shall we? Easy. Okay, and then this will plug in here. There we go. So that's that bit in. Now this bit goes there. That's that. And there we go. So let me put the fan in, done, and I found that little slot hidden under there. So let's plug that in. Lovely. I'll tidy that cable up a little bit. Plug this back in because it fell out. And then yeah, so I built that the wrong way around, but hey, who cares? It's funny like this. Let's power it on. Lovely. Hey, so the best thing about this being like this is I can take the lid off. But there we go. That is the unboxing of the VisionFive version 2. Now I can't wait to get to work on this, and basically the deal for me getting this is to improve Gen 2's documentation on it, and also to improve the installer for it. So it's going to be a fun journey, and I can't wait to get involved. But I know you guys don't want a quick setup of Gen 2, you want to know exactly how to do this yourself. So I'm going to leave this video here today, and the next time we're going to learn how to make a Gen 2 image for this device. So if you want to see that, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. So keep compiling.
I make funny Gen 2 videos while also teaching you how to use it properly. If you want to help support me, then visit my Patreon at patreon.com/Immolo157. If not, just like and subscribe please, as it really helps with the algorithm.